Welcome to our channel. In this guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of scheduling an appointment at the Apple Genius Bar to get the help you need for your Apple devices. Step 1. Open the Apple Support app. The first step is to download and open the Apple Support app on your iPhone or iPad. If you don't have the app, you can find it in the App Store. Once opened, sign in with your Apple ID if prompted. Step 2. Select your device. After opening the app, you'll see a list of your devices. Choose the device for which you need support. This could be your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or other Apple products. Step 3. Choose the issue. Once you've selected your device, you'll find a list of common issues. Tap on the issue that best describes your problem. If you don't see your specific issue listed, you can browse through other categories. Step 4. Get support options. After selecting your issue, scroll down to find various support options. Look for the option that says Get Genius Bar Reservations or Bring in for repair. Tap on it. Step 5. Select a location. You will now be asked to choose a nearby Apple store. The app will automatically show you the stores in your area based on your location. Select the one that is most convenient for you. Step 6. Choose a date and time. After selecting a location, the app will present you with available dates and times for your appointment. Choose the time that works best for you. Step 7. Confirm your appointment. Once you've selected a date and time, you will need to confirm your appointment. Review the details and tap Confirm to finalize the booking. Step 8. Prepare for your visit. Before heading to the Apple Store, make sure to back up your data and bring any necessary accessories, such as your charging cable. Having your device readily available will help the Genius team assist you more efficiently. That's it. You're now ready for your Genius Bar appointment. Enjoy your visit and don't hesitate to ask any questions while you're there. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips.